Hey, I'm Chris from Make Everything. We're back at my property in upstate New York. If you remember last time, we built this carport in about a day and a half to enclose the skid steer. Now at the time, we didn't have enough time to go to the lumber yard and get more material, but we're back up here for the Catskill Mountain Maker Camp. We just ran over to the sawmill. We're gonna pull down these tarps and we're gonna enclose this and make it a proper building. Let's get started. just the littlest bit. All right, that about does it for this video. I'm really happy with how this came out. We used that rough sawn hemlock that we got from the sawmill, and we did that vertical siding and made these doors, and it only really took us like a half a day. Mack and I, like I said in the last video and in this one, we worked together for a long time, so we've developed a really good system of communicating to get stuff done. So you noticed in the video, he's cutting, and by the time he's done cutting, I'm grabbing the board and putting it up. We managed to make all this stuff out here in the field with only a couple of tools, and this thing is going to last a really long time. The guy that mills the hemlock was telling us a little bit about it because I'm not that familiar with it as a material, and he was saying as long as it has an opportunity to dry out, it basically won't rot. So all the buildings at his sawmill are hemlock, and this thing I think is going to last a really long time. Also, adding that in added just a lot of rigidity and made this whole thing more sturdy. These doors are pretty big and pretty heavy, and I was a little worried that they were going to kind of tweak the building when we put them in, but they really don't. And the skid steer fits really nicely inside, and there's room on the sides for me to put some more stuff if I want to put garden tools or anything like that. So I just got the strap hinges from Home Depot. They're nothing super heavy duty, but they're big enough to hold a big 4-foot by 8-foot door like that. I'm super happy with this, and it's really inspired me to build more stuff here on the property using this material and with this sort of similar style. So the next big thing up here is going to be knocking down the house. And I'm really, really excited to get that going because once that's gone, I'm going to have about a 15,000 square foot blank lot here that I can do whatever I want with, whether it be building another building, building a treehouse, whatever we want to get into. Knowing that this material is locally sourced is really awesome, and just knowing how nice it is to work with and how great it looks is really, really exciting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Simple project with a really great result that I think looks awesome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more videos up here at my property in upstate New York. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Check me out right here on Instagram, and also check out Macklin, who never posts anything, but is such a super talented craftsman, and I am so thankful that he comes up and helps me with stuff like this, and he's a great friend. So thanks so much to Mac. Check him out, follow along, and hopefully we will see you on the next video. Not bad for a weekend. Except when you leave 4-inch screws out right in the tracks of where you're going to drive. Don't do that.